Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from panter.vis. Today I'm going to show you how to create this liquid typo in After Effects. Alright, first up we're going to make a new composition. Go to composition, click on new composition. I'm going to rename it to water text, water type. I'm going to go with 1920 per 1920, 29 and 97, 30 seconds. Black background and click OK. We're gonna need to import the image. Go to File, Import File. Select the image you would like and double click. So here you're gonna see the image. I'm gonna drag it right here where the composition is. Right click on the image and go to pre-composition. I'm gonna rename this as background. Select move all attributes into new composition and click OK. We're also going to need to make a solid, so right click somewhere here and go to new solid. Click OK. Right click pre-composition. I'm going to rename this as water. Double click on the water and delete this black background. Drag and drop the logo or the text here again. Right click pre-comp and we're gonna rename this as blobs. Click OK. From here we're gonna go to the effects and presets and type in mercury, merc, and you're gonna see here CC Mr. Mercury. Drag it and drop it onto the blobs. Alright, so here you're gonna see the effect controller panel with the Mr. Mercury effect, and if you pull this, you're gonna see this is the default of the water which is falling here apparently. So we're gonna need to increase the radius X and Y here to separate these blobs to make it more rare. As you can see, if we separate it, you know, we're gonna have more clearance. Okay, I'm gonna hit play. So it goes something like this. You can change the animation. Right now it's on explosion. I'm gonna go with twirly. So it goes something like this. And from here I'm gonna increase the resistance here. Somewhere around 50-ish. So if you increase the resistance, basically the blob's gonna slow down. And we got the birth rate. You can also increase that or decrease the birth rate. Basically it's gonna add more blobs or remove more blobs. So as you can see right now the blobs are pretty small. We're gonna increase the size. We got the blob birth size, blob dead birth, so just increase those. As you can see, you're gonna make them bigger. Alright, and it's gonna look something like this. You also can go back to the water typo composition to see the full composition, because here we got the background with the typo and we got the effect, the water effect, which we just created. And here in the water effect we only see the water effect. Alright, so this is pretty good. I'm gonna create a new copy of the blob. Press Ctrl D. I'm gonna right click and rename it to blobs small. So we're gonna make some small blobs in here. I'm gonna decrease the size of the blobs, make them tiny, and increase the birth rate. That's some more. I don't know, this is probably too much. And change the animation from twirly to twirl, you know, to have a different animation going on. Alright, we're gonna go back to the water typo, to the composition, click on the background, and we're gonna select here where's the effect and presets, type in glass. And this is the CC glass, just bring it into the background, drag and drop to the background. Okay. Go to the surface, click here, go to bump map and select water. So let's see. So as you can see, it's glitching a lot. So we're gonna need to change that. So go to the property and change the lightness to alpha. And if you change it to alpha, basically those glitches are going to disappear. Now it's pretty smooth. You also can increase the displacement from 100. As you can see, if you start increasing it, it's gonna add more contrast. It's gonna make it even smoother. And this is how you create this water typo effect. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.